This is the EcoQube,
your window to nature.
Get the beauty of an aquarium without the maintenance. The no-hassle design is stress-free, compact, and easy to use. Just fill it with water, plug it in, and enjoy. Never change filters, ever.
The EcoQube's unique aquaponics filter uses plants to filter the water. Fish create waste that fertilize the plant, and as the plant grows larger, the aquarium gets even cleaner.
It's the same way nature cleans our rivers, lakes, and oceans.
This is the best low-maintenance aquarium, period. And it's more affordable than ever. Other aquariums and filters can run over $100. The EcoQube C is a better product at a fraction of the cost. Have it in your home, your office, your school, anywhere. It's designed for professionals, teachers, children, everyone. Designed and assembled in San Diego, get the same quality product made better. Back this project now. Share it with friends and family.
The EcoQube is just the beginning. This process could change how we grow our food.
Join our movement to educate the world about aquaponics and promote sustainability by getting an EcoQube into every home. Get yours today. The EcoQube. Everything works together. Back the Kickstarter today.
Hey Kickstarter, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Eric, and we're the co-founders of ADI. Our goal is to share the concept of aquaponics with as many people as possible. Aquaponics is a clear solution for so many of the problems that we have in our world today.
So we launched the EcoQube last year, and it's become a window to nature for so many people. We've put your feedback and our experience into the EcoQube C to make it even easier to maintain and more affordable than ever, so that we can bring this valuable concept of aquaponics and a piece of nature into every home, office, and classroom.
Please share this Kickstarter with your friends and family. Every share counts a lot, and support the Kickstarter here.
Thank you.